Back in the 90s, this is what most layouts looked like. No white space, no alignment or precision, very little care when it comes to visual cohesion. But what more and more people have come to realize is that visually cohesive layouts benefit hugely from a grid system, an underlying structure that sets the rules for where objects are placed relative to each other. Yet when it comes to color, most default color pickers still leave you guessing, forcing you to pick hues by feel, not by science. What makes choosing colors more difficult is that the color spaces we use actually work against us, because they don't accurately display color relationships the way we humans perceive them. Think the gamut your monitor produces just happens to form this perfect wheel? If we arrange colors evenly from a neutral gray at the same lightness level, this is the shape that is produced, with the outer edge representing the limits of the sRGB color space. If we take the analogy of working within a unified grid system when producing layouts, we should also be working within a unified and evenly spaced color system where we consider the precise relationships between colors in our palette. Working with a tool like Volume, we can set up linked structures and nodes representing our brand colors and make our palettes more precise and cohesive, and eliminate the hassle for choosing colors by guesswork alone. Let's say we need 3 types of buttons for a front-end interface we're building. We want the colors for these buttons to be the exact same lightness level according to human vision, meaning if we convert them back to black and white, they sit on an equal footing. We also want the hover effect of these buttons to be slightly brighter than their default, and we want the hovered lightness levels to also be on an equal footing with each other. First off, with a traditional color picker working in RGB or HSL, this is very difficult to achieve, but with oklch and Volume, we can set up these patterns within seconds and integrate them into our design.